Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
Hi, Mr. Superintendent, or Ms. Superintendent. This is the STEM from Nature group, and we just wanted to let you know how important STEM is as far as pre-K through 2nd grade children, as far as getting them ready to read, because it provides them with concrete, real-world experiences that they can transfer over to pictorial ones and then get into abstract ideas. And we're very proud of those minions and the fact that they are going to rock and they're going to raise your M-STEP scores so you will look awesome around your other superintendents within the KISD. This is Tom Kelly signing off from the Ram Center. Bye.
Each grade level needs to have an engineering component, and that is one of the things that is taught here through more than one of the sessions, but the STEM session especially.
But I think one of the biggest things is for them to see cause and effect, so that they can go out, they can learn a little bit about the species, they can learn it's either a good one or a bad one, they can learn why it's good and bad, you know, what's native or non-native, invasive or not invasive.
Why is it important for little kids to know this sort of stuff? We need to be connected. We need to understand where these resources come from.
Please don't ever tell a kid something when you can show them. They'd rather see the poo, touch the track, and touch the fur than ever have you lecture at them from behind a podium. Also, make sure you enjoy yourself every single time you're in front of an audience, because if you enjoy yourself, they're going to be tricked into enjoying themselves.
Having them feel a sense of place, being comfortable with trees and nature.
Education, the foundation, is about building blocks for kids, and so it's really important that kids start really early using the STEM concepts, and nothing does that better than natural resources. Some people think engineering is like difficult for young kids, but hey, think about Legos, Lincoln Logs. Kids know how to engineer at a young age. It's awesome. Start early, start with natural resources.